Hey guys, today I'm going to be cleaning and organizing beneath my kitchen sink and hopefully giving you a little motivation to do the same. And here's a little sneak peek at the before. I've got a lot of random cleaners under here and a lot of painting supplies, so I'm going to try to get everything sort of organized and sorted out. I will be using supplies from the Dollar Tree. I got this wire rack, 3 of these clear boxes, and then 2 clear shoe boxes with white lids. And then I also bought this white basket container. So my first step is to pull everything out from beneath the cabinet so I can see everything that I'm working with. You can see that I've actually used some Dollar Tree bins and organizers previously, but lately I've gotten into the habit of just opening the doors and tossing things underneath the sink. Next, I'm just going to take some cleaner and clean out the bottom of the sink and make sure all the dust and dirt and grimy spots are cleaned up so I'm working with a flat, clean surface. I actually painted my cabinets about a year ago. You can see the inside of the cabinets are the original oak color. And if you're wondering what I'm doing here, I'm pulling up the blue painter's tape that I never pulled up whenever I first painted the cabinets. So now I'm going to try to organize everything into piles and see what I've got. I've got a lot of sponges and cleaning things, but I've also got a lot of random paint supplies because I've been doing some painting and home projects around the house. And I've sort of just thrown those underneath the sink because I don't have a designated spot for all of that. But I'm going to try to sort all this out and organize everything into bins. So I'm trying to go through all of these cleaners and sort through what I need and what I don't need. Like I've got floor cleaner here that I don't use anymore. Some of these brands really get me with all their seasonal scents and I kind of want to buy all the pretty scents, but I try to just stick to what I really need and what I'll actually use. So I've got 2 Clorox wipes containers. My sweet husband found a 3-pack of Clorox wipes at Target the other day. I'm so happy that he did because I've been without them for so long. So I may just put the extra one in the bathroom and then keep one here underneath the sink. And then I've just got like 1 cleaner pretty much for each thing, like a wood cleaner, a floor deodorizer, an all-purpose cleaner, just that sort of thing. Okay, so I've got everything separated into little piles. I've got my little paint supplies, all of my cleaners over here, some Barkeeper's Friend that I like to use in the kitchen sink and for pots and pans, Clorox wipes, extra soaps. I've got cleaning cloths and sponges over here, and then some extra bins over here that I plan on using in the kitchen drawers eventually. Since I've got a couple of extra cleaners, like an extra Windex and an extra little Mrs. Meyer's cleaner, I'm going to use this little tote to put those in there along with some cleaning cloths and a couple of sponges, and I'm just going to put this one underneath the bathroom sink. So now it's time to organize everything into bins. I'm going to put all of my extra paint supplies in this little plastic clear shoebox container. And I was actually looking at this little paint sample. It's Revere Pewter, so it's the color on our living room and kitchen walls. And I like to keep these little samples just in case I need to fill like nail holes or touch up any paints. Next, I'm going to put all of my cleaning cloths and extra sponges in these two little clear square containers. I love to keep extra sponges. In my opinion only, I think of sponges as a one-time use thing. So I buy them, cut them in half, and then once I use them, I just throw it away. I don't like to use them more than once. So anytime that I go into the store, I just pick some up at Walmart or in the Dollar Tree. You can usually get 2 in a pack for $1. In this little container, I'm going to put my extra kitchen gloves. So I kind of do the same thing as I do with sponges. If I go into Walmart and grocery shop, I pick up an extra pair of gloves. I always wear gloves when I wash dishes or if I'm cleaning, so I just like to have extra pairs on hand in case I get a hole in them. So I'm going to put those in here along with the extra little scrubbers I have and some extra cleaning cloths, and then I have a little container of extra soap from Bath & Body Works. And last, I'm going to use this white bin to put all of my cleaners in. I guess I could just stick these underneath the sink by themselves, but I kind of like to just have them all contained in one little space. So I'll stick them all in here and put this underneath the sink. So now it's time to put everything back. I'm going to put this bottle of vinegar way in the back because I don't use that very often and don't need to access it easily. And then I'll put the cleaners in front of that and then all of the boxes in beside those. Here are the things that I have left over. So these are going to go in my bathroom, and then 2 of the organizing things I didn't use, the wire rack and the clear box, but I've got those along with these other containers that I bought a while back that I will use elsewhere in the kitchen. And then here, of course, my kitty cat Scout has to check everything out because the cabinet doors are open. But as you can see, I've got lots of extra space underneath the sink. So that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Scout sure did. If you enjoyed it, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.